Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get a salon quality blowout at home. So I want to start off the video by telling you guys that I got a new blow dryer. Some of you already know because I shared it in a vlog, but recently I picked up the DYSON blow dryer. This blow dryer is very expensive. It came out a few years ago, and when it came out I was like, I'm never buying that blow dryer. Like that's crazy. But recently I started having trouble with my hair. Like I started to get a lot of blowouts at a salon because I felt like when I was trying to do my hair at home, it wasn't coming out nice. And I couldn't figure it out because I used to do my hair all the time on my own. So I bought a new product that I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. But then I also purchased this blow dryer. And I have to say, I really love this blow dryer. And I'm so happy that I got it. If you're doing your hair at home, like if you're giving yourself blowouts, and not going to the salon, you're saving that money from the salon. Like this blow dryer would probably cost me 8 to 10 salon visits, which I was going to the salon like every week for a blowout. So in 2 months, I'm able to pay for this blow dryer. So that's how I justify it. Now, if you don't do your hair at home and you don't blow out your hair, like you go to the salon and maybe once in a while you do your hair at home, I don't think you need to spend this much on a blow dryer because you just don't use it as much. But I'm gonna be blow drying my hair at home probably once or twice a week. This is the current shampoo that I've been using. This is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Shampoo. It has active fruit protein and it has aloe extract. I really like it because it does give you a really clean feeling in your hair. And I will say when it comes to shampoos, I always switch up my shampoos. I don't think I've been loyal to a shampoo for that long. So this is the one that I've been currently using and it works great. Now, when it comes to a hair mask, I'm a little bit more loyal to that. And the one that I am going to share with you guys today is from Macadamia. This one is actually an old favorite of mine. Really quick story. I don't want to make this video too long, but I want to tell you a really quick story. This was one of my favorite hair masks back in the day, like before I really started doing YouTube. I was obsessed with this hair mask. I couldn't afford it, so I would buy at Ulta. They would sell the little single packets where it was like once you open it, you can't reseal it. They were like $3, and I would make that last for like an entire month. I would just use a little bit every single time, and it leaves your hair feeling so amazing. If you don't want to buy the whole jar of it, you can buy the single packet and just try it out for a couple weeks and see how you like it, but you're gonna love it the first time you try it. I'm gonna link the exact one that I use because they have other hair masks that look identical to this. It's in the same jar, but they say something a little bit differently. I used to purchase this from Ulta, but I was only able to find it at Sally's, so I'll link it for you guys. It conditions your hair so nicely, it makes it really soft, and it makes it smell amazing. I could go on and on about this hair mask. I really think you guys should all try it, but this is what I use. Instead of a conditioner, this is what I've been using, and I only use it about twice a week because I don't wash my hair all that often. So anytime I wash my hair, I just use shampoo, and I leave this hair mask on for like 5 to 10 minutes while I'm in the shower, and the best results ever. This is what I use when I wash my hair, and now I'm gonna show you guys my blowout routine. In that routine, I'm also gonna show you guys what products I use when my hair is damp. The first thing you'll want to do is brush your hair out. You don't want to have any knots. And then the first product that I'm actually going to be applying is my L'Oreal Camellia and Sunflower Oil. I part my hair in two and I apply the oil on one side first and then the other side. And I always start on my ends, and whatever I have left over, I'll work on the rest of my hair. The next product I'm using is my Caviar Color Hold Spray. This spray is super protective on your hair. It's going to give it shine, and it's also going to protect your color. After that, I just brush out my hair again so that the products can distribute evenly throughout my whole head. And then we can start the blow drying process. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm using my DYSON blow dryer, and I like to blow dry my hair in small sections. You're also going to see me going back and forth between two brushes. I don't know why, this is just the way I blow dry my hair, but I like to use a round brush, and then I like to use my wet brush, which is the yellow one. I'll link both of them for you guys. But yeah, I just kind of go back and forth when I'm blow drying my hair with these two brushes. Once I'm done with my blowout, there's one more product I like to apply, and that's my Bumble and Bumble Dry Oil. It has a very fine mist. It smells really great, and it gives your hair intense shine. So if you're wondering what product you could use to give your hair a little bit more shine, this is it. And then once I apply it, I like to brush it out to distribute the product. Alright guys, we are done. These are my final results for my blowout. Don't forget to check the description box. I'm going to list everything that I mentioned in this video. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.